In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access and enter your BIOS on a Windows computer. Let's begin. First, click on the Windows Start button at the bottom of your screen. Then, click on the power icon on the right-hand side. Now here's the key step. Hold down the left Shift key on your keyboard and, while holding it, click Restart. Keep holding Shift until your computer begins to restart. This process will boot your PC into the Windows recovery environment, which gives you several advanced startup options. Once your computer restarts, you'll see a blue screen with a few choices. Be aware that I am showing you these options in my language, but you will see them in English, so I am telling the options names in English. From here, click on Troubleshoot. Next, go into Advanced Options, and then select UEFI Firmware Settings. This is the option that allows Windows to reboot directly into your BIOS or UEFI interface. Once you've selected it, click Restart. Your computer will now restart again, and instead of booting into Windows, it will open the BIOS menu. You are now inside your system's firmware. Depending on your computer manufacturer, this screen might look slightly different, but the basic layout and controls are very similar. Inside the BIOS, you can use either your keyboard or mouse to navigate. On older systems, the arrow keys and the Enter key are used to move around and select options. On newer UEFI systems, you can often use your mouse as well. If you ever find that this method doesn't work for your PC, there's another way. When your computer is restarting, pay attention to the small text that appears for a few seconds on the bottom of the screen. It usually says something like, "Press DEL to enter setup," or "Press F2 for BIOS." You can quickly press that key repeatedly while your computer is turning on, and it should take you straight into the BIOS. Once you're inside, be careful not to change settings unless you understand what they do. This is where your hardware configuration lives. If you're only here to check a setting or enable a specific feature, you can safely navigate using the menu on screen. And that's it. If this guide helped you, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.